In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smart delays in ManyChat. This feature can greatly enhance your chatbot flow by allowing you to time messages just right, either to keep a conversation engaging or to respect the pacing you wish to maintain with your audience. First things first, let's go ahead and get logged in. Head over to ManyChat's website by entering ManyChat.com in your web browser's address bar. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you into the main dashboard of ManyChat where you can begin customizing your flows. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to dive into the automation section. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu sidebar. From this menu, click on Automation and then proceed to select Flows. This is where you can view all of your existing flows. If you've already created the flow where you'd like to integrate a smart delay, go ahead and select it. Otherwise, feel free to create a new flow to experiment with. With your flow open, you'll notice the layout of message blocks and actions all visually connected. This is the Flow Builder, a powerful visual tool that allows you to see how your chatbot's conversation will progress. It's from here that we can tweak and fine-tune your interactions to get them just right. To introduce a smart delay, look for the plus or add step button within your flow. This is usually located at the points between two existing blocks. Click on this button and a menu will pop up. From the list of available actions, select the one labeled as Smart Delay, visually represented by a clock icon. Smart delays are incredibly useful for controlling the timing of your messages and automation steps. After selecting Smart Delay, it's time to set how long you'd like the system to wait before proceeding to the next action. You have a variety of options here, minutes, hours, or even days. For instance, you could have your bot wait 10 minutes before sending a follow-up message, which can be useful for mimicking a thoughtful human response time. Alternatively, if you want to remind your users of something important, you might set a delay of 1 day. Similarly, for tasks such as tagging a user or moving them to a different sequence, a delay of 3 hours could be ideal. By setting these delays, you add an element of pacing to your interactions, making them feel more natural and engaging for the user. And there you have it! Adding smart delays in ManyChat is a straightforward process that can significantly improve the functionality and user experience of your chatbot. Be sure to experiment with different timing to see what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has given you some valuable insights into making the most of your ManyChat flows.